Ngalungin silsi makamiro ko silang altunin na TMC nga ang klara shiro ngal lobeng kita el alsil sa Willow Ngiranggoy. El alsil sing December 29, 2022 gaigi tawuk mo Meang al ice sa amlotog. Magotan Meang al ice a Solar Pacific Energy Corporation amle winra bil el mogot el independent power producer el tiramo provide the power energy el mora PPUC. Cell complete that project and mo provide a 15.3 MW solar ma 12.9 megawatt hour of battery energy storage. Outer Energy and Solar Pacific Chairman Elnia Vince Perez amle express appreciation ringi el girel tel strong partnership between Solar Pacific ma Palau. Ndira kamleno telmo they have done everything they could to comply with Palau's strict environmental policy. This solar battery energy project, when completed, will produce pristine power elnia mal perfect to our pristine Palau. Palau's IPP, independent power producer, solar battery project's construction phase will be completed by April 2023. Del IPP will operate a 20 MW solar generating facility edira como cell power el mora PPUC for an agreed price and terms as negotiated in the power purchase agreement. Mataramayang al-ice tang press release rap pikrik el pokungui bernil to nga bar. JICA donates research boat to Pickwick as part of joint coastal ecosystem management. The Japan International Corporation Agency donated a research boat to the Palau International Coral Reef at the end of November 2022. This donation is part of a 3-year joint coastal ecosystem management project. The project, which aims to increase the resilience of Palau's coastal ecosystems to climate change and environmental threats, started in February 2022. Titled Project for Enhancement and Integrated Management of Coastal Ecosystems in Palau for Strengthening Their Resilience to Climate Change. It consists of 4 components: Integrated Coastal Ecosystem Management System, Mangrove Ecosystem Monitoring and Management, Soil Runoff and Sedimentation Monitoring and Management, and Communication, Education, and Public Awareness Programs. This work will contribute to the long-term sustainability of Palau's communities, environment, and livelihoods in the face of future challenges. JICA has continuously supported Pickwick since it began its activities in January 2001 through grant aid from the government of Japan. The new 33-feet-long boat with twin outboard engines will be used for the project's activities such as mangrove and sedimentation monitoring, as well as Pickwick's other research programs. In responding to the donation, Pickwick CEO Dr. Meang stated, "We are grateful for the donation of this new boat by JICA. This new 30-footer boat will increase the research capacity of the center since it can carry more researchers and equipment than the current boats at the center. Having more researchers and equipment on each trip will mean that more work can be done. We thank JICA not only for this donation, but for its partnership and support in helping Palau build its resilience to climate change." Malwaise yakuk mo Musata alela Willow Ngiranggoy. Welcome back, Willow.
Thank you.
Mungguk mot museser amayang lais.
Oman masaw la ada metunin na TMC emra lungi la nguluk no sabe nguluk may makukcher na TMC luguk mamlokoy amayang alais. Bakot Meang al Ministry of Health and Human Services. Tiang al ada Ministry of Health and Human Services amal solilo ay silgider selbes a new isolation unit aliyamne donated and funded by JICA. Tiang a state-of-the-art the self-sustained ICU last week yan ada JICA amne hand over ngin mera government traveler Palau. Tiang project award $5 million. Etiang amne prefab facility contain 4 beds, ma medical equipment niya already na install their tegi del facility. Direct ada Ministry of Health and Human Services ang magsori laway selwase tel facility amo allow our patients and mo nga nga staff mo nga ringi et yang mal fully equipped nga nga generator ringi direct nga nga oxygen making equipment ringi. Direct kalme ang alay sa Ministry of Health and Human Services sa COVID-19 situation report nga nga 13 adverse case number nga 5,784 other recovered ra COVID. Total active cases at real time 184. Cumulative cases since August of 2021 are 5,968 and out of those are 9 deaths. Ilang ani sa COVID-19 test conducted from December 16 and 23 ang ani 198 lang. Pakuktar ang Meang alay sa judiciary ligire la FPA cases, Family Protection Act cases. Lamon nga more than 52 criminal charges that were filed under Tegidal FPA or sira 2021. Of the total cases, 52 ringi FPA misdemeanor citations, 1 na felony. Criminal charges sa FPA are filed both in trial and Court of Common Pleas. At sukumong misdemeanor, yung nga Court of Common Pleas, yung sumong felony, yung mora trial court. Ay gagawin 53 cases, 49 na ringi ang filed against men, 4 are filed against a woman. In 2021, more men were named as defendant in 92 cases, 83% 30 in 2022. Palaway se halakluto ng utian ng masa nga asye, mabol bakira malimis lungil ay silgira la program nga de kom nombre kala last week.
Matarame ang alay sa sera last Thursday ra December 22, 2022. Ya rangal karapalilyo, mangayaw, mangayang along with their supporters, amle march into Meang's room, Palacia Hotel, as Pearl Marumoto gave directions while police cadets stand in attention at the entrance. Amlartal program amlangya Edward Ongrung amle minitakla bebera alitakla Christmas while the kids were seated and served lunch. After listening to Yoel Toribiyong welcome them, explain a purpose of tal event. Tiragal ngal were called with their numbered gifts. Mlora stage receive wrapped presents from Santa Claus. Igal gifts samlangi school supplies, toys, and other articles salwa cellphone dirakarat. That program, Instant Happiness, was initiated 5 years ago. Niya part of the annual event called The Will to Live. Among founders of that program, tiramle presenter sige December 22, le Dr. Victoriano, Josefa Tiob, Madirakal Reboora itong Yoel Toribio. Malwaise, halebo the West Bebira highlights.
I'm telling you Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice.
highlights certial instant happiness amral. It gives us joy lomes. Yang maral, nakadamral mesa nga smelly rangal. Events like this that can give joy to children's. Amral sel lomes yang maran mo nila lomes. Tira lomes certial highlight tirakal kadets tira kor amle notice luasem nanyar adra afaren laringi yang akaman yang tanga tra last year uknos choin makman ministry dire kal bulisem larsay makadamman mirang asulier bulisen madlo oil part traway kay giden mralungil events el malol takarara de mal ngar sale bring happiness to other families makadamal di mirang asulir tira kay gidel bulis ma tay gidel foundation rather with to live matigay the founders like al program the mal masaulel they actually brought the instant happiness to children this year. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Malo ay say, emnuk timlay gay da mayang alay sa kamok plus amlog to pero al sales. Mukuman nung sam na tune in at TMC. Please buckle up and drive safe and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.